Happy day, students. Today we are going to deal with grammar tense forms. Already we have seen part 1. We shall continue part 2 this time. Dear students, in the last class already we have seen simple tenses and continuous tenses. Now we shall go to perfect tenses. Okay, the present perfect tense, what are the keywords used? Just now, yet, already, so far. In the past tense we use already, yet only. In the future we use by the end of this week, by the end of this month, by the end of this year, by this time, by the end of next year, by the end of next week or day. Now coming to present perfect. See the persons you can see. For I, we, you, they, we use have in the present perfect tense. So I have written, you have written, we have written, they have written. For singular nouns we use has. So he has written, she has written, it has written. It is also past participle. Now coming to past tense. For all the persons we use had plus written. In the past perfect we use I had written, you had written, we had written, he had written, she had written, it had written. Coming to future, we use for I and we use will or shall have written. I will have written, we shall have written. For you, they, he, she, it, we use will have written. You will have written, they will have written, he will have written, she will have written, it will have written. Now we shall see the present continuous forms. In the present perfect continuous, you see the keywords are since for the past. So since means it refers to the starting time or year. Then for the past, that is duration. Okay. In the past perfect continuous, you see an action began in the past and continues up to that time. Already we have seen. Then in the future, an action in progress that will end in future. Now we shall see in the present perfect continuous, we use has for singular nouns. He, she, it we use has. We have to use been. Then only continuous will be incomplete. Perfect. For present perfect continuous we use he has been writing, she has been writing, it has been writing. For I, we, you, they we use have been. I have been writing, you have been writing, we have been writing, they have been writing. In the past perfect continuous we use, for the past perfect we use had. So for everyone it is the same. For all the persons it is the same. I had been writing, you had been writing, we had been writing, he had been writing, she had been writing, it had been writing. Now coming to the future perfect continuous. For I will have been writing, or we will have been writing. For you, you will have been writing, they will have been writing, he will have been writing, she will have been writing, it will have been writing. Hope you had understood the tense forms. Now we shall see the exercise on tenses. See, complete the tenses in present tense forms. First I am giving you present tense forms only. So first one, Saravanan always. So in present tense the verb go will become goes. So option A. Saravanan always goes for a walk in the morning. Second one, we have gathered here for a meeting and the chairperson is yet to arrive. So we have gathered, that is option C. We have gathered. Coming to third one, Aruna has been eagerly waiting. So has been eagerly waiting. Option C. Aruna has been eagerly waiting to meet a friend since morning. Fourth question you see. Sheba is moving to a new house next week. So option B. Sheba is moving. Okay. Fifth one. Nazira attends music classes regularly. This is simple present tense, so we use option A, attends. You have to add only S. Coming to sixth one, Ilakya and Adira enjoy. When two persons are there, we need not use S. So no change. Option A. Ilakya and Adira enjoy each other's company very much. Seventh one you see, Mani has been working in this school for 5 years. So option C. Coming to eighth one, it is pouring outside now. So option A. It is pouring. Now comes, at present all comes means it is continuous tense. Now coming to second exercise, complete the sentences in past tense forms. First one, I had gone to her place on foot. Option B. Had gone. Okay, on foot means went. Okay, walk. Went on walk. Second one, the children had been playing. So it is option C. The children had been playing in the ground when the teacher arrived. So two actions are here. Third one, they had been requesting. Option A. They had been requesting him when the manager arrived. Fourth one, if you had worked hard. Option B. If you had worked hard, you would have won the relay match. If you had worked hard, you would have won the relay match. Fifth one, Jonah and Joy were already leaving for Ooty. Jonah and Joy were already. It's past tense. When the others reached the station. Option C. Next, sixth one. We all sang in the choir last week. Last week is simple past. So we all sang. Seventh one. Nancy was always asking. Option A. Nancy was always asking for help. Then eighth one you see, the office goers waited for the train. Option B. So hope you have understood this. We shall go to the next exercise. Choose the correct tense form of the verb to complete the sentence. The full moon appears once a month. So option C. Second one, he is doing his 10th standard now. So option A. Third one, when I entered the station, the train was moving slowly. Option C. Fourth one you see, the old man has been suffering. Option A. From some nerve disorder for the past 3 years. Now also it is continuing. The old man has been suffering from some nerve disorder for the past 3 years. Fifth one, India got freedom in 1947. That is simple past. Sixth one, she was reading. Option A. She was reading a novel when I called her. Seventh one, I had been drawing. That is option C. I had been drawing this picture since 7 a.m. But now I am painting. Eighth one, by this time tomorrow, this letter will have reached Chennai. That is option A. Will have reached Chennai. Ninth one, we will be reaching again tomorrow, or we will reach again, we will meet again tomorrow. Ninth one, option B. We will meet again tomorrow. Tenth one you see, I will be working in a new company this time. That is option B. I will be working in a new company this time next year. 11th one, some monkeys will have picked. That is option A. Some monkeys will have picked up the mangoes before we will reach the spot. Then coming to the last one, the president will be addressing. Option B. The president will be addressing the function by this time tomorrow. So, hope you had understood everything, the usage and the types of tenses, and we shall wind up the class now. Thank you.